everyone, I'm WIGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you love seeing what people pick up in the Boxycharm Drop Shop add-on sale, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I got not one but two. So much for the low buy I went on at the beginning of the year. Ay, ay, ay. You know what? It is what it is. So back in April when I made my selections, I always poke around, shop the add-ons, and I picked up some. But then, guess what? 2 days before that drop shop add-ons ended, you get an email like, oh, only a few days left. So, like an idiot, I went out and poked around and found a few more items. What I find interesting, I believe, maybe I'm wrong, but the items I purchased at the beginning of the month or whenever we do our choices only arrived yesterday, and that's this guy with all of the products. The second order I did several weeks later, this arrived over a week ago. So, what up with that, Boxycharm? Anyways, I forget which one is which. I'm fairly certain the large one was the first one. But we shall see if anything I unbox sparks a memory. Because do I remember a single thing? No. Alright, enough rambling. Let's dive into the first box. Alright, what I find interesting, Ipsy vibes. First off, I don't think I've ever seen Boxycharm pack with beautiful tissue paper. It's bubble wrap or no, that just brown pressed, I don't know. It's never like this. And the colors scream Ipsy. Okay, yes. So this is the second order I placed. And I know that because old lady brain. This here is from Peach and Lily. And it's the Glass Skin Veil Mist. I love mist sprays, hydrating, setting, you name it. On this post-menopausal 55-year-old WIGO warrior, I need a good spritz. But why I know, okay, so old lady brain kicks in because since the first order took forever, by the time I made the second order, I'd forgotten what I'd ordered in the first box. Long story short, this is a repeat. Oh, I hope I like it. Okay, the packaging is very lovely. This is glass. Let's do this and hope to God the spritzer is good. All right, let's not go face first. Let's try. Ooh, promising. I say promising because in the past I've had some that looked fine and then as soon as it goes on my face, you get a big glob. What am I tasting? It has a nice, not that it tastes nice, not that you should eat it, but it didn't taste chemically. As I was talking, it kind of lingered into my mouth. All right, let's give it a try. Yes. The spritzer is spectacular. Thank God, because I now own 2 of these. It does have an interesting taste, though. I would recommend close thy mouth while you spritz. All right, does not seem to have a scent. Could be wrong. All right, this video, I have talked about one product for like 10 minutes. All right, next item. It is nicely bubble wrapped, so it must be good. Ooh, what is this? Maybe it's makeup. You're like, Julie, but you ordered this. Yeah, almost a month ago. Ooh, okay, sorry, I just saw the name. It says Natasha Denona. Oh, wait, no, this was the first set of items. Oh, I went ham on the second time in. Okay, I started off good, low buy, and then just out the door. All right, so this is beautiful packaging. It's the type that's shiny, nice, metal or tin. But then after 2 seconds, it looks disgusting because your fingerprints get everywhere. Ooh, look how beautiful. If I wasn't sporting the ham blush, I'd try it on. But let's just do some swatches. Oh, I did not know that the blush, or I forgot, is a cream product. And it looks very similar to the one that I'm actually sporting today. That is lovely. The highlighter I'm wearing today is not very blingy, so I'm going to double dip. Try the old ND on my face. That is some bling. Yes, it is a little darker than I typically wear, so I would consider this for me more of a blush topper, but I am not mad at this. All right, can't wait to give that blush a try. What came in my second box? This guy's heavy. Do I remember anything other than the Peach and Lily spray? No. All right, more pink tissue paper. No wonder this box weighs a ton. There are 9 products, and some are some of the big and hefty ones. Let's start with the first one, the repeat. Peach and Lily facial mist. Check. All right, this here is also super heavy. This is from Clean Skin Club, and it's the Pineapple Glow Mist. Because, you know, you can't just glow with one mist. You have to buy a repeat and a second brand. Ooh, look how pretty. Reminds me you're giving you pineapple vibes. All right, let's see how good this spritzer is. Again, looks promising. This one does have a subtle scent of nothing specific, but it is not obnoxious, and that's what we're going for. All right, mist number 2. Yes, another good mister. 2 for 2, or 3 for 3 if you count the repeat. All right, next item. What do we have here? We have something from ADDON Beauty. This is Light Sauce, which is a balancing gel moisturizer. 50 ml. I'm guessing I have so many moisturizers. So why do I buy more? If it's a really good deal. I have a feeling this was like $6. Something will be on screen, but yes. That is the only reason why I buy this stuff. Such a good deal. All right, interesting packaging. Looks more like a foundation. Okay, it's a pump. Let's see. Ooh, she wasn't lying. Can you even see it? It's right, where did it go? Right there. It is a gel, like full on. Some gels are colored or milky white. This one full on looked like hair gel. Doesn't seem to have a scent. It feels more like a serum than a moisturizer. It's that thin of a gel. Not a good thing, not a bad thing. Just commenting the word moisturizer through me because it looks and acts like a serum. All right. What else did I pick up? What is this? I see the name Laura Geller. SPACKLE Skin Perfecting Primer. Okay. Do I always prime? Not always. Do I have 8 million primers? Yes, I do. Why did I buy this primer? Well, it was probably a really good deal. And it has the words hydrate, moisturize, and replenish. I'm a sucker. Okay, good. Don't need to swatch it just because it is taped around the edge and I don't want to start the clock on yet another primer. All right, what is next? Dun, dun, dun. Nola, I blame you. I tease. I said dun, dun, dun because this is from KVD, and normally I'm no with KVD. B, it's a powder foundation. Me and powders don't really get along. This is the Locket. However, I heard from longtime viewer supporter Nola that this is supposed to be really good. I'm probably not going to use it as a foundation. I'll give it a try. But I believe you said it's very good. Oh my God. Is that a foundation? That looks like a powder. I was going to say, she said you can use it as a powder to set under your eyes, which at that fair shade, that's all I'm going to be doing. Holy cow, what shade is this? Fair 105. I don't want to offend anyone, but man, if you're Casper the Goat, that's straight up That's like off-white. That is, no. Nobody's that fair. No. All right. Under the eyes only. Why am I so influenceable? Is that a word? If it's not, it is now. All right. Next item. Would it be me shopping pop-up sale add-ons if I didn't pick up brushes? Do I need brushes? Do I love brushes? Oh, heck yeah. So this here is a 4-piece brush set from Complex Culture, aka Ipsy's in-house brand. Now that Ipsy and Boxy are the same or owned by the same, we're getting Ipsy products over in the Boxycharm. So when it comes to brushes, I am fine with that. I am digging. I love big, long, fluffy brushes like this. This would be really good for highlighter or to really blend out the top part of my eyes. Then you get, I like these are all kind of longer than normal. Okay, yes. Love good brushes. And if I didn't already pick up brushes, then why would I need these brushes? Well, it was a really good deal. These brushes are from MOTD, which I believe stands for Makeup of the Day. Don't quote me on that. And in this set, we get 5 eye brushes. I'm going to leave them in the package for now, but very cute, very pink, very affordable. All right, what do we have here? This is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. Ooh, and it's from Ciaté London. I said ooh because I love lip products. And watermelon. Ooh, I hope it smells like watermelon. This is the packaging. It's giving me ColourPop vibes or Makeup Revolution. It's like a plastic tube and it has that type of applicator. All right, you know, gotta put it on my lips. Oh yes, it smells like watermelon. Not too strong where it's obnoxious, like just the right amount. It's very comfortable. Yes. All right, and the last item also came in bubble wrap. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow palette. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called MELLOW, and this is the Treasure Chest palette. This is what the palette looks like. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. It's kind of shimmery, glimmery. Looks like a nice shimmer eyeshadow shade. Has a little bit of texture, but not too much. Comes with a mirror, and it's a soft, everyday, neutral eyeshadow color story. Who would have thunk it? All right, this again must have been very affordable because do I already have these shades? You bet. Will it stop me in the future from buying more of them? Nope. All right, let me know. Did you make multiple Boxycharm pop-up sale hauls, or is that just me? Let's recap everything I picked up. So I got an eyeshadow palette, a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set from MOTD, a 4-piece eyeshadow brush set from Complex Culture, a watermelon lip oil from Ciaté London, a gel moisturizer from ADDON Beauty, a hydrating primer from Laura Geller, the Lock-It Powder Foundation from KVD Beauty, the Pineapple Glow Mist from Clean Skin Club, not one but 2 of the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist, and the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I have a shopping problem. Ay, ay, ay. I liked everything I got. I'm going to list the MSRP total and share how much of a good deal I got, because I am the type of shopper, I don't get the $18, $24 items. I try to stick to the $6 items. Sometimes if something's really good, I'll get a $12 item. Now, the Natasha Denona was probably the 18 range, but it's Natasha Denona, so I will spend more. But leave me your thoughts, comments. Let me know that I have a shopping problem, or commiserate and say, you know what, Julie, I do too. I would love to hear what you picked up. And let me know if you got anything I also got, or if you saw anything I got and were like, dang, why didn't I pick that up? Very soon we will be able to pick up more add-ons during the May pop-up sale. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, Thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.